Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. The first one is an airplane. The next one, monster truck. Nice monster truck. How about this one? Mini airplane. Okay, now check the big truck. This truck is a biggest truck right here. Bulldozer. Mini monster truck. Logistic truck. How about this one? Off-road car. A logistic truck with two containers, green container and yellow one. Racing car number 9. Mini airplane, white color. Red racing car number 3. Mini excavator. I don't know its name. If you know, please write down. How about this one? Bulldozer. Mini bulldozer. Ladder truck. Transportation truck. Mini excavator. Hero Batman. Mini airplane. Train truck. Monster truck. Police car, yellow color. Green supercar. Okay everybody, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.